Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome. My name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you are here. If this is your first time, please do consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. That's for everyone. And if you would leave me a comment, it would mean so very much to me. I love reading your comments, seeing what's going on, what samples you are using. So hopefully this inspires you to use up some of your samples as well, because we all get them, right? We all have them, and I hate to see them thrown away. I have several foil packets this week. I haven't been doing a lot of foil packets, but these are my last empties for 2021. I know, we're finally caught up. And I was like, you know what? I don't want to start something new when I could finish some things and get them out and count them towards 2021. So I have 4 foil packets because of that. First up, we have Living Proof. This is the full thickening cream. I thought this was fine. It felt pretty good in my hair. It didn't feel like it. Some of them leave your hair a little bit sticky or tacky, and I didn't feel that. I did, however, have the most tangles that I've ever had when I had this in my hair. So I don't know if it's if it was just the way that I was wearing my hair in a braid with whatever, my coat or sweatshirt. I was wearing a sweatshirt. That shouldn't have tangled my hair. Anyway, it left my hair pretty tangly. So I have another one of these. I'm going to try it, and hopefully it doesn't leave my hair quite as tangled. But this was a one-time use for me because of how much hair I have. We have the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. I really like this one. It reminds me of Clinique Moisture Surge, and it has like a very light oceanic type scent to it. I think it's really nice. I enjoyed it. It's not one that I want to I feel the need to go out and purchase, but if I get a sample, I'm going to be enjoying it. Clinique Moisture Surge. This is my favorite moisturizer. I just wanted something because it's daytime still, and though I feel like my skin's a little drier, I don't want something really emollient during the day, so I'm still sticking to my gel moisturizers for the most part. I do like this. This is my favorite moisturizer, so, you know, getting use of a single packet one day use is nice. This stuff goes much farther. I felt like I could have probably gotten more use out of this. Used it a couple more days. Maybe I probably could have gotten 2 to 3 days out of this packet, but I squeezed it all out of my hand like an idiot because I wasn't thinking. This is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. I like this. It's pretty moisturizing. It dries down pretty well. I feel like it gives me just a little bit more moisture than the Moisture Surge, but it doesn't leave my skin feeling greasy or oily, because I have oily combo skin. I really like that moisturizer, and part of the reason why I opened this packet, because I knew I had this, I was using this. I had a full size of it, and I was almost out, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to supplement this. So I got like a day and a half out of it, and I definitely had too much. I was smearing all over my neck and chest as extra moisturizer. So definitely 2 or 3 days with that packet. I do like it. It's one, I looked at my moisturizer, oh my gosh, I have way too many moisturizers. No moisturizers. I cannot buy any more moisturizers in 2022. I found, I knew I just purchased a couple because I really liked them, and I was like, I know why I did that, because one was a kind of a Christmas present for my mom, and it's an expensive brand that we found at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, one or the other. And then the other one was a Marc Jacobs, and Marc Jacobs is no longer in business, and I found a Youth Quake on clearance, and I was at TJ Maxx, and I was like, I'm going to pick it up because I really liked that moisturizer. Okay, a serum. This one is almost gone. Probably have a use or two. I'm going to count it as 2021 because it's almost gone. Anyway, this is the Origins Plantscription Anti-Aging Power Serum. I've been using this on my neck and chest because I like to have some sort of serum on my neck and chest, but the ones that are more active, like my favorite vitamin C or my favorite, I don't put Good Genes down here because it's too expensive. Any samples, that are just anti-aging or whatever, those are the ones that I tend to use on my neck and chest. So I did like this one. It's fine. would I purchase it? Probably not, because orange is pretty expensive and I didn't enjoy it that much. Okay, this one I noticed was starting to slightly change color, and I was like, I gotta use this one. I have another one of this too, and then a full size, which looks fine. And I keep these out of, like, all of my skincare is in like a cool, dark place. I don't keep them out in the sunlight. I don't keep them out in heat or anything. But this is the Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum from Murad. This has been discontinued because I think hydroquinone, something like that, is no longer allowed. But I've been using it. Obviously, I haven't seen any difference quite yet because of this. It is not coming out very well. Like, when I push down, it just kind of drips out a little bit. I don't know if that's, like, once it comes out, it's fine. And I've been just putting it on, like, up here, because I do have one brown spot right over here. And then I've noticed that I have a little bit of discoloration on my forehead. And so you might be able to see it. I can't tell looking in the mirror right now, or looking in the camera right now, but we'll see. This is part of my goals this year, is to use up these because I want them out and I want to get some use out of them if I can, and, you know, enjoy them. Okay, we have a perfume sample. This is the Skylar Vanilla Sky EDT, and I've heard, oh my gosh, Lauren something. She has the pink hair. I love her channel. I'm spacing on her name. Anyway, I'll try to have her link down below. She's been really enjoying this, and she keeps saying how it's kind of like, you know, a vanilla, but with a coffee. And I was like, oh, that sounds so good. And I had this as a sample for my clean beauty, and I have a certificate. And I was like, well, maybe I'll get this one. I literally don't smell anything with this one. I kind of smell something right now, but when I spray it on my body, I'm like, I don't smell that I have anything on my skin, like, at all. So it was a big bummer to me. I might see if I have another sample of this, or try to pick up another sample and give it another go, because I feel like it sounds like something I would really like, but it's so very, very light that I feel like I don't smell anything on me once I've sprayed. And I spray, like, usually when I get a sample, this lasts me twice, because I will spray half of it on, you know, around my neck, on my wrists, on my elbows sometimes, and I can't smell anything. It's very sad. Okay, I talked about this last week. This is the Belif The True Cream Aqua Bomb. I thought this was different than the one that I had last week, and I was very excited till I opened them, and I was like, oh, they're the same. So this one still has some stuff going. It has this really kind of pleasant scent to it. Like I said, it's kind of like Clinique Moisture Surge, but I feel like it's not quite as moisturizing. It's fine. I don't love it. I don't hate it. I won't buy it. Like, it's not one that is on my list. Ones that are on my list are, like, always Moisture Surge. Youthquake, that one's on my list for Marc Jacobs of ones that I really enjoy. And those are the only two that I can think of right off the top of my head that are so good that I want to purchase backups. Okay, we have two moisturizers that I used on my neck and chest. Usually I use about half of this because, you know, from here down is quite a bit of area for moisturizer. So I used up the Proactiv Green Tea Moisturizer. It was fine. I might cut into these and see how much I have left and supplement, because I feel like, I don't know. I feel like there's stuff in them that I should scrape out. But that's my waste not, want not kind of sensibility. So I did like this one. I think it's fine. This is the Rock Multi Correction 5-in-1 chest, neck, and face cream. I just used it on my neck and chest. It does have an SPF in it, so it does smell like sunscreen, and it smells like your stereotypical sunscreen. I squeezed it on my hand, and I was like, that smells like sunscreen. It's fine. I have another one of it. I knew I had duplicates of this, so this was in my, like, should I pass along one, or do I like it enough to use it again? I do like it enough to use it again, but like I said, these last maybe 2 times each when you have these very tiny. This one's a 5 ml, this one's a 10 ml. This was much thinner. This was a much thicker moisturizer, so I felt like this one spread out a little bit more and covered more area, and this one dissipated, you know, evaporated a little bit and absorbed a little bit more quickly. So I felt like I needed to use a little bit more of this. So I liked them, didn't love them, not ones that I would say like are amazing that you should go out and get. I'm not a big sunscreen in skincare type person because I'd rather have a moisturizer that is, you know, day or night rather than one that has sunscreen in it, because usually those are meant to go under makeup, and I'm like, it messes with my makeup. And if I'm putting on my neck and chest, I'm usually taking a shower in the evening. I don't necessarily want to put sunscreen on before I go to bed because I'm not seeing any sun at that point. Okay, that is it for my empties, or my sample Saturday, not my empties. I still have to film my empties. I haven't filmed that. You're going to see those before this video, though. I'm just trying to catch up and trying to, I'm obviously at my parents' while I'm filming this because of my backdrop. It's actually New Year's Day when I'm filming this. I'm a few weeks ahead, which is what I like, because if I miss a week or if I can't get to film right away, I like to have that little bit of cushion. And the semester is going to be a challenge and crazy. And yeah, let me know how you're doing. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.